The Dab Out by White Rhino is the all-in-one must-have companion for any dabbing enthusiast. The Dab Out is the perfect choice, coming in 7 different colors to fit any style. Included in the Dab Out kit is a stainless steel packing tool to scoop up your concentrate of choice and 1 pyrex glass straw for low-temperature use. This kit features 3 compartments designed to store concentrates while allowing them to remain in their pristine condition. Start by using the packing tool to scoop up your concentrate and place into one of the 3 compartments below. Next, use your torch to heat up the tip of the straw to a temperature of your choosing. After heating the straw, place it on top of your concentrate and inhale in. To clean the straw, shake and soak in isopropyl alcohol for an hour. Remove the straw and rinse with water. After air drying, return the straw to the inside of the Dab Out kit. In case of a broken straw, replacements are available. The pyrex straw has a black silicone cap and black lettering and is intended for low-temperature use. The quartz straw has a gray silicone cap and gray lettering and is intended for high-temperature use. Replacement packing tools are also available. Dab Out by White Rhino. Buy the Dab Out now and improve your smoking experience at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.